Okay, here are my empty dies. I've warmed them up. I'm going to take one-handed now. This one goes on top of that one. Raise the flag up so it goes into that hole right there. Straighten her out. Raise it down. And press the load. And time it for about 30, maybe a little longer, 45 seconds. Just to make sure I got fill. Okay, now this is the difficult part, being patient. Let's push this down. I think I may have gotten too much here. It's already raised up, but I am going to lift this up one-handed, hot, and drop it in the water. It'll help speed things up. 45 seconds may have been a little too long for this. I had been doing it 30 and with intermittent success. But hopefully the plastic's cool. Pull it out, and what have I got? Not too bad. I will carry this in the other room with the camera on it at all times, and put it underneath the, oops, the camera there. Put it underneath the magnifier and see what we got. I'm going to set the camera down and pull this out, and that looks like a pretty good carriage.